Santosh's 18-dish vegan feast is inspired by the food of the Nepalese Dashain festival and includes curried jackfruit steak, green banana curry, rice crackers, onion salad, tempered grapefruit, sesame and chili pickle, red yam, aubergine, spiced potato and pointed gourd, pilau rice with nuts, and a rice puri or bread, with smoked tomato and hemp seed chutneys, sun-dried chickpea leaf, mushroom dry curry, and a Nepalese black lentil dal.
Santosh, I just forgot how fantastic your food is. Your jackfruit steak is just delightful. Little bit of sweetness, little bit of smokiness. It's almost like a section of a cauliflower that has juice. My favourite flavour is the little paste here. It starts almost like nutty sesame and finishes with proper heat. It's just wonderful food.
Every single pot in front of me has its own unique individual flavour. I'm amazed that you've got through all of this cookery, because to create such big flavours time and time again in one dish is actually quite extraordinary.
Thank you. Thank you.
You got the red yam, we've got the gourd and the aubergines, and I take those and I put some of the tomato chutney onto it, the hemp chutney on it, and it's heavenly. And then you take your little flatbread, and I'm just dipping in and I'm dipping out, enjoying everything here. You went back home to truly discover the heart and the food, and bringing that here for me, I feel like I went with you on that journey. And the next time you go back to Nepal, please take me with you.
I'm feeling great, good. After this all good comments, I cooked vegan. And vegan food, people thinking is not tasty or boring food or anything. So look at these comments, oh my goodness, no?